This is Junction 22 coming at you live with some on the street reporting from good old Grafton, Ohio. Got the big truck here too. And we just happen to be out here. Where there's a fire at the Grafton Bowling Alley. So I just want to show that to you real quick. Here on street reporting during COVID time, so we gotta wear a mask like those news companies do, right? So I'm gonna show you some of that. Maybe I'll shoot you another video of some action, but we were inside. My dad and I were inside. Check please. Great food, great vegan food too, by the way. And this fire at the bowling alley started breaking out. Lots of smoke, lots of fire trucks. You got fire trucks from Elyria, LaGrange, Grafton, and other nearby communities. So you got all these fire trucks here in Grafton putting out the fire, baby. So let me give you some more video. And there it is. Let's zoom up, show you some of this stuff here in Grafton. Everyone coming out to watch the fire trucks put it up. And a lot of folks like to, you got to park back there. A lot of folks like to park to go there, so they can't even get to the vehicles. And hold on, we just got a North Ridgeville fire truck pulling up right next to me. Yeah, North Ridgeville. And I hear some other fire trucks coming. So you can hear all that. Here it all is, folks. Junction 22 News reporting live on site, Grafton, Ohio, baby.
Give me fuel, give me fire, give me that which I desire.